This is an open box of the Canon 16-35 f2.8L2 USM lens from Canon. In the box you find the registration card, the styrofoam packaging, the lens guide, the lens case, in this case it's a nice leather pouch. It looks very similar to the one that comes with the 24-70 Canon lens. We'll put that aside. Got the lens hood. On the inside of the hood you can feel it's nice. It's got a nice matte finish that feels like a velvet texture to matte the light to reduce your reflections. And then the lens itself. Autofocus, manual focus, focusing scale. And as you move from 16 to 35, you can see how the lens changes. The 82 millimeter filter threads remain constant, so that when the lens hood is on, the lens hood does not rotate as the lens zooms in and out. And you can see on the other end, you can see the wide 2.8 glass. And that is the Canon 16-35 f2.8L USM lens.